Adrian, thank you. And to keep numbers low in nursing homes, they have to follow strict guidelines from the state. News Channel 9's Nicole Somavilla outside Loretto with one of your stories for us tonight from a woman, Nicole, who says the guidelines are too strict for her mom with dementia. So what is she hoping for tonight?
Well, she wants to have fewer barriers, really. So families can, at this point now, with that negative COVID test, go into most of Loretto's facilities and see their loved ones face to face. But it's a much different experience than it was pre-pandemic. Now, those at Loretto say they're following and limited to state guidelines. But this one Baldwinsville daughter says she still is missing that emotional connection with her mom.
That broke my heart.
The last time Heather Wilsey hugged her mom was March 16th, right before the pandemic forced visits to go virtual. But her mom has dementia, so FaceTime confused her, and her recent window visit wasn't any better.
My mother became very upset, agitated, confused, and started to cry.
It's been 7 months since she saw her mom smile. Last week, she thought a negative COVID test would be her golden ticket. But behind plexiglass, it was almost as if her mom didn't see her.
I asked to know how that differed from a window visit that does not require a COVID test.
Those at Loretto say the state requires some type of protective barrier, and some of their residents struggle with masks, but they're empathetic.
It's not easy for our staff to have to stop a family member and say, I'm sorry, you can't touch your loved one. It's just in our nature to be able to do that.
Heather fears her mom is running out of time and she can't spend it with her. She wants the governor to look beyond the virus and see it from her eyes.
This population is going to die, not in the 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 10 years they might have had otherwise, but very soon.
I have been in contact with someone from the New York State Health Department, and they stand by their stance that masks and social distancing are still the best way to prevent the spread of the virus. They did give me a lengthy statement. I want to read some of it to you now. I'm quoting. It says, "We'll continue to closely monitor the data and review requests while also acknowledging the pandemic is not over and people should not let their guard down." So at this point, it does not seem as though the state will be making any revisions to their current guidance. Outside the Nottingham, one of Loretto's assisted living facilities, I'm Nicole Somavilla, News Channel 9.
Nicole, thank you. And during these tough times, we are here to listen to your stories. Call us at 315-446-9900. You can also email us your stories at localsyr.com.